Hey everyone, today I decided to do an updated Angelina Jolie transformation tutorial into Maleficent, so 2 looks for 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you'd like to see how you can do these looks yourself, then just keep on watching. It's officially fall, and we're going to go ahead and start today with some bedhead and just pin it up out of the way. Using my Raven lenses from Primal Contacts, I'll just pop these in, and they are linked below. Starting with a powdered cover-up base and brows filled in similar to hers, we're going to go ahead in with a medium brown along the entire lower lid. Using the same brown, I am creating a crease well above my own, as she does have a larger lid space than I do. Blend up and inwards towards your nose and out into a cat's eye shape. Use a dark brown in the newly created crease line and blend. Add halfway along the lower lid. Extend outwards to connect to your upper shadow. Cover the lid areas with concealer to really sharpen that line. Bring into the inner corners and down onto the inner third of your lower lid. Leave some of that brown below it and blend halfway. Seal with a white powder. You can see where it's elongating the eye and lifting, whereas the other side is more rounded. Darken the brown line below the white and blend up. With the dark brown, create a thick cat's eye halfway across your lid. Blend up into the brown shadow. Round out into the crease line. Using a black shadow, draw a smaller cat's eye that is thick at the outer corner and thins into the lash line at the center of your lid. Extend slightly past your crease line. Tightline the inner third of your upper lid into the corner. Carry down onto the lower outer lashes, angling down into that brown line. Blend the lighter brown onto the outer half of each lid. Curl your lashes. I'll be working with these mini lashes onto just the outer half. I place these starting at the center point of my lid and the outer end onto the top of the cat's eye that we made to help lengthen the eye and lift it. Blend the black shadow very thinly to connect the 2 areas you made before. Line your upper waterline fully. Coat with mascara lightly and thicker at the outer corner lashes. Her nose is very straight and shorter, so I'm just sculpting the sides with light brown shadow and the bottom to help narrow and shorten my nose. Blend up below the brows. Using white powder to highlight the tip and sculpt the sides and middle of the Cupid's bow. Use below the lips and to darken the corners of the mouth. Line the lips lightly to create a lip shadow. Use the same color to sculpt the sides of the forehead. For her mole, make a small brown dot, add a white in the center, and drag one direction outwards to create an easy highlight and drop shadow. Coat your bottom lashes. Overline and fill in your lips completely with a lip crayon to make your base. Use a rose color to line and begin defining your shape. Fill in the outer half of the top. Create 4 crease lines on the upper lid and a center line in the bottom. I'm tapping a pinker lipstick to help warm up the tone. With a brown liner, detail the lines further. Be very light-handed here. Fill in the outer third of the upper lid. I warmed it up one more time, then blotted to not have too much buildup for the next step. Tap a dark blush to set the lips. Blend concealer lightly on any points that you want to raise or make fuller. Be sure to blend. Use the rose to define the top edge. Use a fine brush and the dark blush to set your line details and edges for shape and depth. Sculpt below the cheeks and down the sides of your mouth. Think angular. Don't forget her sharp jawline. Blend up into your hair and the Angelina look is done. We aren't stopping there. Time for those signature cheeks. Use the dark brown shadow to make a line on the top of your cheek sculpting. Blend down into the hollows and temples. Fill the cheek area further and blend. Use white powder in a triangle shape above that line and blend out under your eyes. Highlight the jawline and blend everything. Bring the brown onto your neck and under your jaw. Powder the center points lightly with white to blend it all together. Grab your headpiece and you are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know you have a massive selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so crazy grateful each and every time you choose to watch one of mine. See you next time.